Welcome to our channel C.S.E-Pathshala by Nirmal Gaud. In this lecture, we are going to study about the recursion. What are recursions? Now, recursion is the principle closely related to mathematical induction in which we execute the program and recall the function. In a recursive definition, an object is defined in terms of itself, and the process of defining an object in terms of smaller version of itself is called recursion. Basically, it can be in sequence, functions, or set. Now, for the recursion function. Now, recursion function is called by itself due to its execution, and it repeats itself several times until its end condition. Until the program is particularly executed, it will run the program. Next comes advantages of recursion. To write efficient program using a minimum amount of code, we use to have a recursion function to increase the program efficiency, and then comes as nominal chance of syntax and logical errors. Now, what are the disadvantages? Every advantage has a disadvantage. So, can cause the infinite loop and other unexpected results if not written properly. If the end condition is not defined, then the recursion will repeat forever, causing the problem to crash and hang out the entire computer system. It may also affect the memory allocations, which is known as malloc. Now, what are the uses of recursion? At first, recursion may seem hard or impossible. Maybe it's magical at best. So, however, recursion often provides elegant short algorithm solution to many problems in computer science and mathematics. So basic iterative algorithms are usually more efficient in their use of space and time. Algorithms we use big O notations, space-time algorithm to execute a program. So recursion does the same. Example for recursion is often used as math function, math.io, number sequence, data structure definition, data structure manipulation, and language definition. Next is the program for Fibonacci series in Python. Now, what is Fibonacci series? A series of number in which each number is the sum of two preceding numbers. Like in this, 0, 1 is defined 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now 0, 1 sum is 1. Then it comes to 1. The 1, 1 sum is 2. Then it comes to 2. The 1, 2 is 3. Then 2, 3 is 5. This is the Fibonacci series. In this example, what we are going to do is, we are going to find Fibonacci series using recursion. So, here is an example to find out. We will perform this in Jupyter Lab. Here is the program written with recursion. And another one is from the while loop. Now, what we use in a while loop is algorithm to print the n value until which the Fibonacci series has to be separated, and then we started the while integrations. This program is written in the while form. Now let's perform this. With the help of recursion, simple recursion. And here is the output. I need 4. How many terms? Like 4. Now you can see 0, 1, 1, 2. 0, 1 sum is 1. 1, 1 sum is 2. Here is 4 times. Until or unless it comes to the 4, the sum of the given number, it will recurse back, execute the program. Next comes is for the while loop. while loop we will do the same. Enter how many terms, like I need 4. So for 4 the same output is there, but with a different method, that is while loop. Now I run this program, but this time I need 5. Yeah, you can see that up to 5 sum it is recursed back. That means it's executed. Thank you.